In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily report a message on Messages application on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Messages app, then enter a conversation. And then, if you would like to report some message, first off, long press on that message, then tap at More, and down below here you can easily find Report Message. If we tap on it, it will show us a couple of options from which we can select if that message was helpful for us or unwanted. To mark the message, tap at one of the options and then tap at Done. Basically, guys, that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.